Hey, welcome. Thank you for coming. You're in the right place. If you're looking for advice, we are going to give you some guidance, the cards and I. So sit back, relax, get something to drink, some hot beverage or some ice cold water, whichever you would like. And we're gonna begin right away. Before we dive into it, if you enjoy this type of content, if you like psychology, ASMR, and tarot, please consider subscribing, like this video, leave a comment, all that jazz. And if you would like to book a reading with me, you can do so on my website, which you can find the link in the description. So, but now here you are, and here we are, and you have a question. So I would like you to focus your mind, your subconscious and your conscious mind, both of those. Focus on your question and imagine that your question is a ball of energy. Try to see what color it is, whether it has kind of a dark glow, or whether it's colorful, maybe rainbowy, or it has a golden light. There could be many variations to this, but try to condense your question into a ball of energy and visualize it as clearly as you can. As I'm shuffling the cards, and don't forget to breathe deeply as you're doing all of this. Your question is completely valid, and the answer is not going to come from the cards, interestingly. It's going to come from your subconscious. The cards are only a tool for your subconscious to be able to hold on to and to ease the process. But really, it's your mind that's miraculous, not any external device or tool. Nothing can beat what your mind is capable of. So we are now opening a line of communication with your subconscious. And as you're breathing in and out, slowly and deeply, you're finding yourself in a more and more relaxed state of mind and position, which is a nice side effect of tarot readings. And all of a sudden, you don't even understand why anything could be a problem or a cause of worry when life is so easy, so natural. We are here to learn, and even negative experiences are useful. It's all right. And now you're here to learn from your subconscious about the situation that you find yourself in, this question that you would like to have answered. And here we are. The Queen of Cups. She's so incredibly gorgeous. And she has all the qualities of the really warm and attentive mother. The Queen of Cups is effortlessly tuned into the needs of those around her. She's the representation of natural empathy. think about all those moments in your life when it was just completely obvious that you were feeling empathy for another person. You could feel it in your bones, you could feel it in your body, in your heart, in your mind. It was just a very obvious feeling. No interference from the analytical mind, just pure feeling of compassion and empathy. This is what the world needs, and this is what your question is really aiming at. You're wondering if it's okay to connect with the Queen of Cups within. Whether it's a weakness to feel deeply towards humanity, towards people in need, towards those who suffer. You're wondering if this is sustainable. You're wondering if you're going to be attacked, whether your defenses should be eliminated or not. Now the Queen of Cups is reframing the situation, and it's reminding you that even when the situation seems like pure warfare, the underlying logic of things is that we all just want to be loved. And while that can sound like an empty platitude, I can almost tell that in your heart you're resonating with this because it's true. And the answer or the solution to your question is to be generous with your support. You're not going to be harmed if you love more intensely. You cannot go wrong with loving people more, with being more patient and forgiving. You cannot go wrong with that. The rational mind might try to feed you a narrative where embodying the Queen of Cups is a foolish and bad strategy. But the Queen of Cups is saying, drop all strategies. Stop speculating. There's a part of you that really knows how to be there for yourself and for other people, and nothing else matters. You cannot be harmed by revealing this loving, sensitive, gentle side of yourself. No harm is coming to you when you're becoming more loving. It is the most natural thing, and it can only improve the situation. If the situation does not improve, it's not because of this. There could be other, bigger, more rigid or intense forces at play that no amount of self-preservation, no amount of rational analysis could conquer. So be brave and be loving. You can't go wrong with that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me and my channel in any way. If you would like to receive a reading, make sure to check out my website. You can support the channel financially that way and receive a reading in exchange. See you next time.